In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all your messages on TikTok at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up TikTok app, and once it is done, just tap right here to go to your TikTok profile. Now guys, we need to tap right here at these three lines at the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. On the next step, we need to scroll down and tap at Report a Problem here. Then tap at Account and Profile. Select Profile Page. Then at the bottom, tap at Other. Scroll down and select Need More Help. And now guys, we need to tap right here and then we have to briefly describe the problem we are facing. You have to write down here that you would like to delete all your messages on TikTok at once, and once you are done with that, just hit right here at Send to send that report to TikTok support team. And once you hit at Send, in 24 hours all your messages should be deleted by TikTok support team. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.